Hi everyone, welcome on Roxandra channel. I'm very happy to come with this video. I'm very excited. It's the kitchen. We just renovated the kitchen. We bought a property recently, and to be honest, I was so happy to start renovation. So today I will be showing you how we made our kitchen, a quick makeover on a budget, and I really hope you're gonna like it. Let's enter in the house. This is the first footage I took when we moved in the property. Actually, to be honest, the kitchen was one of my least favorite rooms from the house, just because it was so black and so dark, and we decided to do a makeover of the kitchen, but to be on a really low budget, as we had to spend quite a lot on different other things in the house. Okay, well, let's go shopping. Today we chose to go to B&Q in England, and we are looking for the flooring. We really want to change the floor, so let's see what we can find. And the winner is this one, a very lovely color, very light. I do love the combination between white and gray, and we chose this one. And now it's time to look for the tiles. Let's see what color are we choosing for our tiles in the kitchen. And the winner is this one, a light color. We really wanted to go for like a marble, to be honest, and then I changed my mind just because I thought it will fit a bit better with the flooring. Just a bit of inspiration here. It was a really long day at shopping, to be honest, so I really have to say thank you to my husband, because he did all the makeover, literally everything. This is the floor. Everything started to feel much better once we actually put everything in the trolleys. And yeah, I have to say thank you to him, just because he was the one pushing the trolleys and helped me with the shopping. He was the one who knew exactly what he needs in order to get this done. So as a tip, I will say make a list, make sure you know exactly what kind of tools do you need, and to make sure you have them in the house before you start the work. This is a preview of the kitchen. This is definitely something we want to change almost completely. Definitely we're gonna get rid of this black in the kitchen. Let's the fun begin. Initially, my husband started taking off the tiles, the one that we definitely don't need anymore. And while he was doing this, I kind of helped him in a way, to be honest, but obviously he was very keen with me and I did the easiest things. We do want to have a bar in the future, and actually this one was successfully done. I will show you in a future video how we actually made a bar in the kitchen. So this one was a bit lower for my husband. He always really got annoyed of the fact that it was so low, because he's quite tall. So we decided to change it, and I think it looks much better now and gives me more space. The tiles are almost done, and we decided to paint the wardrobes, and this is something I helped as well with. I was in charge to paint all of them. I used some spray and also some paint, and I'm really impressed. It's the first time when I do it, and I'm very happy with the outcome. Now kitchen worktop time. Let's see how easy this will be. It was the first time when we decided to do something like this. We heard that it's actually quite easy to put the worktops on. It was a cheapest version, obviously on a budget, and we just have to be very, very careful if you put any hot pots on it. And to be honest, yeah, it is a difference, but it looks much, much better, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome. So this is it. This is our new kitchen. This is the makeover on a budget, and we are very, very proud of the outcome. I'm really curious, what do you think about it? But to be honest, for us, it's a completely different kitchen with more light, just because of the white bits. And everyone is literally saying to us that they thought that we bought new furniture, which is not the case. It was on a budget, but looks really, really, really nice. So this is it. What do you think? What would you have done different? And if you have any suggestions or any recommendations, please let me know. I'm very, very happy to hear anything, and I'm very open to take on board any advice. This is the first time when we do something like this, and to be honest, I really have to say a big, big thank you to my husband, because it was just the two of us who worked towards this kitchen. And now every single day, believe me, I am in love with the result. We really, really spend much more time in the kitchen now, and gives me a better vibe. I'm happy I got rid of that black kitchen, and now I have a very, very light kitchen, and it's quite big and gives me the impression that it's new. Thank you very much for watching. This is the kitchen makeover on a budget, a very short video, and in the future I will come back with some other transformations or renovation in the house. As I said, I do have a bar that I can't wait to mention about it. My husband did that from scratch, and it's lovely. I can't wait to edit the video and post it very soon. And also, he's working at the moment to build a barbecue in the garden, so that will be something I will be showing you in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. I am posting a new video every single Sunday at 2 o'clock, so I can't wait to come back with a new video for you. Take care and see you next Sunday. Bye!